Country Women's Association, we're here, friendship, but basically to help people, schools, hospitals and anyone in need. And we do work in many ways to help other people. When we first came to Walkaway, it is now a rest centre. It was built here in 1959, and in 1959 CBH group very kindly gave us a donation then towards that first restroom. And now in 2018 we have to repair it all, the same restroom. They've now given up another donation. The CBH grant was for the full painting of the full building and all the guttering. And it meant a great deal to us. It was a great relief to have this money to start the building. And we applied for it. Within a fortnight we were told we were going to get it, and it was such a relief to have that money come forth, because we really needed it, that money, and it made a great difference. So I want to thank you to CBH.